Richard, here's your 347 small block Ford. Description of this combination. Got a set of our cast heads, Edelbrock Air Gap, Brawler carburetor, MSD distributor, custom grind hydraulic roller, got the front sump oil pan. We're going to make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3400 makes 420 foot-pounds of torque. Peak torque 432, good and flat there, good torque number. Peak horsepower 427, right 425, so everything's good. What we'll do is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple other things. See if you're in, you'll find this thing looks like a credit card's USB card. Full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. Now that's more tech stuff on it. It'll also have an engine number. That's the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over, it's got a QR code. That'll take you some more tech stuff. So have a great day.